PR crisis management refers to the practice of planning and preparing for negative incidents, limiting the damage and harm, and getting an organization back on track as fast as possible. This is why PR practitioners need to expect likely dangers and cultivate strategies to adapt to the impact. A crisis poses a danger to the company, requires action to redirect the course of the events, and demands quick decision making. Being not able to address an inquiry is dooming for the whole PR team. In the present social media-driven world, reputation management matters like never before, and it additionally can be discolored in a flash. So, PR practitioners need to be proactive, be accountable, and be transparent. Have your social team on high alert, with monitoring at the forefront. Utilize an already well-versed crisis plan to proactively respond with proper fact-checking on social media with arranged materials. Do not panic or spread false information around, and be patient. One should adapt well to changes and new situations. At a time of crisis, PR practitioners should be in regular touch with the employees, external clients, stakeholders, as well as the media. The crisis management plan and framework includes a communication plan that has been detailed in advance. If you happen to overlook anything relevant to the current crisis at hand, do some quick planning toward the start of the crisis. Try to make arrangements for social media and draft holding statements. Do not conceal the crisis as it will demolish the harm. Deal with the situation by taking responsibility, responding right away, and answering feedback. Avoid contending openly, recognize people inquiries or concerns, and respond to the right conversations. Compose an official statement, press release, and post on social media to control the whole situation. Convey all important subtleties to the key partners. Post updates about the crisis on various channels. Be transparent regardless of whether you are actually still evaluating what is going on. On the off chance that you don't have a voice regarding the situation, individuals promptly expect responsibility or easily make their own speculations. Recognize when operational improvements are vital and be straightforward about how you are addressing the situation. Crisis communication in public relations not only helps you with building trust and validity, it can also put a stop to the spread of any misinformation and potential panic. Good crisis management is a competitive advantage as it helps companies prevent catastrophes, minimize the damage, and get operations back to normal as quickly as possible. And crisis happens when nobody anticipates it, so PR practitioners should always know how to react and respond in such stressful circumstances.